Hello, Namaskar, welcome. I hope you're doing well. As the title suggests, in this video I am going to share how I set up the 5 graphic cards to run on a 3 PCI slot motherboard. A few days ago I received a comment on a video asking me how to set up 9 graphic cards on a 6 PCI slot motherboard. I know very well this is not the same setup, but the method and the results can be interpolated onto a 9 graphic card or even a 12 graphic card mining rig using a 6 PCI slot motherboard. All you need is the 1:4 PCI splitter card, just as shown in this video. You can see here there are 4 risers connected to one such card. These splitter cards are easily available on Amazon for around 2000 rupees. As can be seen, there are only 3 PCI slots on this motherboard. I have connected the main graphic card to the 16x slot so that there is no confusion regarding which graphic card will give the video output. I made a plan to routine clean this rig and show you how I run 5 graphic cards on this 3 PCI slot motherboard using this 1:4 PCI splitter card. And now I must inform you, there are no warranties on these kind of hardwares, either the riser cables or these splitters. I have them running for months now and never faced a problem regarding any kind of a failure using this hardware. You only have to plug in these USB interfaces on these slots and you're ready to go. I wanted this rig to run on Wi-Fi and I had this card lying around, so I utilized it. Mind you, you have to set up Wi-Fi on HiveOS separately. The hardware setup is complete. Now let's get into the BIOS settings. You can see this is the same hardware running the 5 graphic cards. Every manufacturer has his own BIOS setup for every motherboard they roll out. You can generally find out these settings under the PCI subsystems. You have to look for the above 4G memory cryptocurrency mining setting. That has to be enabled and is disabled by default. After enabling these settings, I am able to mine 5 graphic cards on this 3 PCI slot motherboard. I am sure one can run 12 graphic cards on a 6 PCI slot motherboard using 2 of such 1:4 PCI splitter cards. Let's save the setting and exit the BIOS. We see here iOS has already started and all of the 5 graphic cards have been detected. The NVIDIA RTX 3060s. Now I have been dual mining on this rig and one of the coin is Etherium and the other coin is Etherium or ALPH. Now I have noticed dual mining on LHR cards make them better at mining Etherium as the first coin. Cards give a more stable hash rate on Etherium and the second coin is cherry on the top utilizing the LHR compute power. That is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please do like and subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you and see you in the next one.